Hey guys, today we have this 2004 Chevrolet Corvette and we're gonna be adding key. This one is different. This one has this Vats system that it has a resistor in it, so it can't be just programmed like that. So you gotta find the proper key. All right, I'm gonna show you how I've done it. Let's get started. All right, first let's go ahead and check what we're dealing with. Let's go check it out. We got GM. Let's go find the Chevy Corvette. So it's somewhere here. There you go. It's 2004. And this one said the last year's 2004. This is page 48. So let's go to page 48. Let's go slide all the way up. 45, 46, 47, 48. So okay, this is what we have. Let's see. We'll be dealing with GM. There you go. Let's make sure we get in the right page. 48. There you go. So here it's a double-sided GM10. There you go. And the FCC is right here. That's the remote that we're getting. It's a 2004. As you can see, this one has a chip. It has a Vats system. It says no transponder, but it has that. As you can see, vehicle anti-theft system. That's the Vats system that I was telling you. It was introduced in 1986 for the Corvette. And let's go to the next page. There you go. It's a 10 beating. So make sure we're gonna be cutting a 10 beating on this one. All right, let's go check the resistor, how we find the right key for this one. All right, let me show you how am I gonna do this. First, what we're gonna do is measure the resistor that came with the original key. So what we're gonna do is we have the ohm meter. So I'm gonna have this one here standing up. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna test that. So we have an ohm meter here, right here. Put it in ohms, and then hopefully you can see this. We're gonna touch this one here. That's a resistor, so that one has a value. So I'm gonna show you if I can touch this one and the other side. And this has, let me see, make sure you have a pretty good hand here. It can't be just moving. So the value of this is, let's see, not touching it properly. Make sure you get a good contact. That's 3.72, if you can see that, 3.72. I don't know if you'll see that. That's 3.72. So I have a set of blank keys here with a VAT system in it. As you can see, this is the GM one here, special made for this. And I already marked each one of them the value for the resistor. This number 10 is 3.74. So I'm gonna use the number 10 value, which I already did. Right. Pick the number 10 value. So this is a 15. So now we're gonna go ahead and try to cut it, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna cut it. Okay. All right. Let me show you how I cut it. With this, to cut, your X-Force machine will tell you to use this one, but this M1 clamp, it's not gonna work, because if you clamp you have to align it on the top line there. If you put it here, it's touching the resistor and you don't want to break that one. See that? You don't want to break that one. So what I did, I used the M4, I used the universal duplication and used the M4 clamp. This is the M4 clamp that we have. I put it one side, align it from the top, cut one side, then after you cut the other one, cut the other side. Then once you cut it, that's it. As long as you have the right value and you cut it properly. And this one we already cut it. This is the original one, and I cut the other one here. This one is already cut. Sorry I didn't have time to take a video how I cut it, but I used the M4 clamp to cut it, and I'll show you guys. The original one, as you can see, it has a security light on, and this is the original one. When you insert it there, the security light come off and you'll start the car, no problem. See, no security light. And then there's the other key that I have, the new one. I just cut it with the right value, insert it. Look at the security light, will come off as well, and start it with no problem. So that's how you do it, guys. You're just gonna be like innovative how you're gonna use your machine, and you don't want to be clumping on that resistor. You're gonna break it and you're not gonna start the car. So now next time we're gonna go ahead and program the key fob. Can we program that? Let's get going. Okay, so now we're gonna program the remote fob that we have. This one has 2 is not working. So you can see this doesn't work, and this one doesn't work either. We only have one's working. Okay, this one is working. There you go. So what we're gonna do, let's go ahead, start the key, put it on position. Let's go, because it's unlocked. Let's go unlock it first. Put it on position, and then as you can see, let's close the door real quick. You gotta see that this one here, you're gonna click reset option, sorry. So from here we're gonna click the option until you don't see anything. There you go, until it's blank. Click the option, key on, so hold the reset button. There you go, fob training. As you can see, it says fob training. So now what we're gonna do is press the reset again. So we're in fob training right now. So let's try reset. And then it says hold, lock, and unlock for the first fob. So let's hold this one. Let's hold the first fob. You gotta hold the lock and unlock for the first fob. Let's try that again. Okay, this one doesn't do it. Let's try the other one. These 2 here. Hold it, unlock. Let me see. There you go. First fob learned. So you gotta hold it for maybe 5 seconds or more. And then the second fob, I'm gonna do the original again. Hold it. There you go. Second fob learned. See that? So the third one that we have here is here. So hold it. There you go. Exit training. That exit by itself, I think maybe just you can only have 3 programs in it. So let's turn it off. Let's see. Remove the key, and let's try our remote. That one works, and this one, lock and lock, that's good. And let's check the last one if it works. The last one works as well. There you go. So all 3 works. All right, guys, that's good. All right, guys, so that's how we done it. with the VAT system, 2004 Chevy Corvette, remote fob, locks, start the car. So we have 2 keys now. Alright guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. To the next one.